I love my new overalls. Ready for school! Thank you.
Have a great day at school, Lily.
Goodbye, Oliver. See you soon.
Bye, Lily. Have fun. See you after school.
Baking time! I am wearing my apron. I am ready for baking class.
Look, fresh apples, red and green.
Wow, they're so pretty!
Yes, perfect for our apple pie.
I want to help pick them. This is flour, and this is sugar. We wash our hands. Scrub, scrub, scrub! Bubbles are so fun! All clean now. The apples are clean now. Let's cook.
I peel the apples. Watch the skin.
Wow, so pretty!
Yes, a perfect spiral. Now it's ready.
Cool, let's do more!
Great, now you can help. I slice the apples. Slice, slice, slice the apples. Slice, slice, slice the apples, balls. Slice, slice, slice.
1 cup of flour. In the bowl. Add some butter. It is soft and yellow. I mix the dough. It feels like clay. I roll the dough. Roll, roll, roll. Roll, roll, roll. Roll, roll. Pull. Sugar and cinnamon. Smells so good. Look, it looks like my t-shirt. Beautiful. One egg. Be careful. Don't break it. I brush the egg. Now it is ready for the oven.
Time to bake. The oven is very hot.
Okay, Miss Rose?
Good job, Lily. Now we set the timer. I hear it ticking.
Perfect.
Now we wait.
We wait. 1 minute, 5 minutes. Look, the pie is changing. It is golden.
I'm so hungry.
I smell it. It smells delicious. Yum!
The apple pie is ready. Be careful, it's hot.
Wow, Miss Rose, it looks so yummy.
Yes, and it smells wonderful too.
Can we have to let it cool first, sweetie? My first pie. It looks so sweet.
It certainly does, Lily. It's beautiful.
I am hungry. Can we eat now? Yum! It is hot and sweet. I love it! Let's share. Sharing is fun, friends. Milk and pie. My school is the best. Time to clean. Wipe the table. Clean.
That's right, Lily. You're doing a great job.
All clean now.
Perfect. Thank you for your help.
School is finished. I go home now.
Hi, Lily. Did you make a pie? Good job.
Yes, Mommy, it's apple pie.
It looks delicious. I'm so proud.
Mom, let's go to the market. I want a new dress. Look at the dresses. They are so pretty.
They really are, sweetie. Which one do you like?
I love the pink one. A purple dress. I like purple. Purple. I like purple. Purple. New shoes, 1, 2 yellow shoes.
We buy new clothes. Thank you. Thank you. Have a great day. Yay! I love it. You look like a little model, Lily. Thank you, Mommy. We need vegetables, carrots and potatoes. They're very fresh today.
Great choice, Lily. Here is your fresh chicken.
Hello, chicken.
A chicken for our dinner.
Chicken.
Yes, chicken for dinner.
Fruit, grapes, and strawberries. Sweet.
They look so fresh, don't they?
They smell so good. Can we get some?
Of course, sweetie. Let's get them. Look, Lily, a cat is sleeping.
Wow, it's so fat and sleepy. Look, a cat is very sleepy. Meow. I help Mom. I am a helper. Helping is fun. Helping is fun.
The sunset is pink. The sun is going down. Yes, it is. It's a beautiful sunset.
Oliver, we are home.
Yes, we are, sweetie.
I'm home. Let's cook dinner. Yay, I'm ready.
Mom, I'll put my apron on and help.
I will help too. Teamwork, Lily.
Wonderful, my helpers.
I'm ready. Got the pot. I wash the carrots. Wash, wash, wash. Wash, wash, wash. Wash, wash, wash. I wash the carrots. Wash, wash, wash.
I chop the potatoes. Be careful, kids.
Okay, Mommy. One, two, three. Small piece. They are green and round.
The soup is hot. It smells like chicken.
Add some salt. Now it tastes good.
Perfect, Lily. It smells wonderful. The chicken is ready. It looks amazing. The chicken is ready. It looks amazing.
I set the table. Plates and forks. Done. Dinner is ready. Let's eat together. Yay, soup! Thank you, Mom. It smells so good. Enjoy, my loves.
Delicious. The soup is warm. Yum, yum, yum. Dessert. I made apple pie at school.
Oh, Lily, it's beautiful. Whoa, it looks so good.
Thank you. I cut it myself.
We're so proud of you.
Try it, Oliver. This is amazing. Lily, you are the best baker. I wipe the dishes clean and tidy.
That's right, Lily, you're a big help.
All shiny now.
Perfect. Let's do one more.
I love my new dress. I am happy.
Yay! Go, Lily!
You're doing great, sweetie.
That's it. Keep dancing.
What a busy day. Time to rest. Brush your teeth every night.
Good night, my little star. Sleep well.
Did you like our day? Please like and subscribe.